Bible. Bad Bitch Bible.
Hi, Aura.
Hi, Killa.
Welcome to the Bad Bitch Bible.
Hi, welcome to me.
Welcome to me
Welcome to me.
as the OG Bad Bitch.
Girl. Yeah.
How do you identify yourself as?
As now, I
Mm-mm.
identify myself as a sweet trans girly.
sweet Coquette.
Yeah, sweet,
Sweet,
coquette
sweet.
trans girly.
You're in your sweet era.
Yeah, in my sweet era.
Okay, wait. So, did you always know na you were gay or trans? Like, from the very start, did you know na trans ka?
Yeah, like parang mga 3 years old pa lang ako, alam ko na. Kasi I
Na
have...
trans?
Na girl. Like, I mean, na
Ah.
gay ako.
Okay.
Pero like, eto na lang lately yung trans. Well, it all started with my 2 sisters kasi I have 2
Okay.
sisters. And ako yung sumunod after ng 2 babae. So growing up, naiinggit ako kasi ang dami nilang choices eh.
Tapos ikaw?
Pwede silang mag-short, pwede silang magpalda, mag-dress. Tapos ako polo and short pantalon lang. Growing up, alam ko nang bakla ako kasi gusto ko yung Hello Kitty nila na swimsuit. Gusto ko yung
Oh.
Barbie. And sinuportahan naman ako ng tatay ko. Kaya
Aw.
nung lumaki na ako, alam ko na magta-trans ako.
Okay.
Ganon.
Ano yung moment for you na, oh, I'm trans, not gay?
Yung moment na gusto kong mag-transition na babae
Okay.
talaga.
Okay.
Kasi pag gay, before, sinasabi ko na gay lang ako,
Yeah.
bakla lang ako, kasi wala naman akong balak mag-transition. Pero
Parang
nung
secure
nasabi
ka
ko,
doon.
yeah, yung parang kontento na ako na, ito lang nakakatawang bakla, or like bakla lang na nagkakagusto
Yeah.
sa lalaki. Pero nung nasabi kong gusto kong mag-trans, yung gusto kong itrato akong babae, yung gusto ko
Ah.
tingin sa akin babae, ganon. Pero like, hindi pa ngayon, pero may plan din akong magpa-sex change. Yung ganon.
Really?
Yeah.
Wow, I'm so excited for you.
I'm just,
You're young pa.
I'm too young pa din.
How old are you again?
I'm 20.
See, you're not even legal in some countries. Diba 21 in some countries?
Yeah,
So,
Satin 18.
yeah. So, ang tagal pa. You have time to decide. Gusto mo ba
Totoo.
magpa-boobs if ever?
Boobs?
Palakihan tayo. Check.
Boobs talaga, yun yung iniisip ko eh. Pero like, baka.
Baka.
Pero
You never
hindi
know.
yung OA, yung babaeng boobs
Ay,
lang.
yung parang, high fashion boobs. Yeah.
High passion boobs. Kasi guys, hirap pa ako magdesisyon ngayon kasi ngayong muscle ko, hindi ako makapag-desisyon kung ipapatunaw ko ba. Kasi love ko talaga siya.
Ang toned eh. Ang
Oo.
strong.
Parang it makes me so unique. Kaya hindi ko siya
Mm-mm.
mapatanggal-tanggal kahit na laging kino-comment sa akin, ang laki ng katawan ko. Hanap
People
na ako
talk
ni
like
Foreman.
that.
Yeah. Yung parang, may buhos pa tayo, hanap ka na
Ay.
ni Foreman. Yung parang
Uy.
akala nila construction
You
worker
worked hard for
ako.
that though.
Exactly. That's why they mad because
Oo.
they
Some of
cannot
them
achieve
can't.
this.
Mm-mm.
Yeah.
You play volleyball, di ba?
I play
Yun.
volleyball.
So, malamang your arms are really toned. Me, recently, nagpa-trap talks ako.
Ano
Trap
yun?
Botox dito. Kasi, lagi akong kinakomentan na ang taas ng shoulders ko, parang ang tense. Oo, laging ganon. So, for the illusion na pahabain yung neck, binotox ko dito para bumaba yung,
Bumagsak
oo,
siya.
na
Yeah.
parang mas soft yung look. Pero arms, gusto ko talaga maging toned.
Like gantong
Oo,
tone.
I really love it.
Akala ko naman, Papa Barbie arms mo.
No, never. Gusto ko
Yeah.
talaga toned. Like, kita mo ba
Diba?
yung arms ni Miley Cyrus? Yung mga ganon, parang,
yung mga
fuck.
ganon.
Oo. Pero, ewan, kasi tibu din ako eh. Baka kaya yan yung trip ko. Ay,
Yeah,
iba
the
pala.
OG lesbian here.
Wait lang, so, single ka ba? Are you taken?
I am single.
Are you NBSB?
No. Meron na ako last 2019 pa. Yun lang yung first and last ko. And in-expose
last?
ko yun, yeah.
Why? Ba't mo in-expose? Di ko to alam.
Traumatizing kasi yung first ko eh. And I was so young. I was 16, I guess.
Ay.
Yeah, I was 16. 2019 kasi yun.
Okay.
In-expose ko siya kasi in our 5 months or like 6 months in a
Oo.
relationship. Meron pala siyang 3 years ongoing relationship.
Paano mo
And kilala
nalaman?
niyo to, guys. In-expose siya sa akin ng mga best friend niya na hindi na makatiis kasi
Oh my gosh.
baliw na ako eh. Like
Yeah.
parang ilang beses niya ako ginos pero like tinatanggap ko pa rin pag bumabalik. Up
What?
until nung magki-Christmas na, dun ko na nalaman. I mean,
Paskong Pasko, doon mo pa nalaman?
yes, guys. December
Ang sakit.
24 niya pa ako ginos. Ganong, ano. Tapos
Traumatized ka
nalaman
pa
ko
doon.
siya nalaman ko pala siya next year pa, like mga March pa. Tapos dun ko na siya ginawa ng thread in-expose.
Sa Twitter?
Yes,
Deserve
girl.
niya yun.
Kasi dahil binaliw niya talaga ako, yung tipong i-ghost niya ako ng one day, tapos sasabihin niya sa akin na wala yung cellphone niya. Naiwan niya daw sa LRT, tapos imi-meet ko yung nakakuha ng cellphone niya sa Mega Mall para kuhain yung cellphone niya. Tapos ending pala, yung minute ko sa Mega Mall is president ng fans club niya. So
Hala?
like, siniset up niya akong ganong kabaliw.
Oh my gosh, niloloka ka talaga.
At alam mo yung pinaka-crazy, pinakilala niya sa akin yung ka-relationship niya as a friend. Tapos
Oh
yung
my
ka-relationship niya, inaasar kami na mag-kiss kami, mag-hug kami, mga ganyan.
Oh my gosh.
So,
oh,
na-meet ko yung
crazy.
jowa niya. And
Na-meet mo pa siya and
na-meet
all
ko pa,
that.
nag-dinner pa kami eh.
Oh my God, I can't.
Tapos inaasar niya kaming mag-kiss.
Kung ako yan,
and
magbabarda talaga ako. I would lose it.
Sobra.
It's one thing to be cheated on, but it's another to be disrespected eh.
Sobra talaga. Tapos yun.
It's different kasi kung kinausap ka ng maayos, I'm sorry, I'm seeing someone else. Done.
Yeah, done.
Pero yung ganong,
Pero yung putang ilang buwan yun, tapos may 3 years ongoing relationship
Oh my
ka, tapos
gosh.
ipapakilala mo pa sa akin harap-harapan.
I cannot.
Yeah, that's why
Traumatized ka na doon.
traumatized ako sa first ko.
Are you open though to dating?
I am open, pero like most likely, I'm just gonna put label once na I'm really sure na talaga.
Okay.
Like, I'm really open with talking stage and getting to know.
MU, yung mga ganun.
MU, getting to know. I mean,
No.
hello.
Ang cute-cute.
Ang sarap kaya kiligin, tangina.
Hindi ako makalive without a crush. Kailangan lagi akong may crush.
Diba? Kasi motivation talaga siya. Like, kailangan motivated ka magpaganda lalo,
To maintain
magpapansin.
myself.
Yes, totoo yun. Sobrang totoo nun. Kaya ako hindi ako nawawalan ng crush.
Oo. May time ako na wala akong crush. Grabe ang pangit ko doon.
Diba? Kasi wala kang pake. Hindi ka nag-aayos kasi wala namang feeling mo, wala kang pagagandahan.
And then di ako nagpo-post ng stories. Parang wala akong...
Eh, pag may crush ka, papapansin ka talaga. Kailangan like ka naka-blush on.
Oo. May lash extensions,
Yes!
may nails, lahat na.
Nails.
Oo. Wait,
Yeah.
so, how are you even meeting people sa dating scene?
I tried
Kasi you're
dating
famous.
apps. Yeah,
Oh,
I
yeah.
tried dating apps, but I feel like it's not gonna work for me. Kasi tangina, ang unang line sa akin, uy, si Makmak ng ang probinsyano. Or like, si Idol pala to may spaghetti. Yung mga iconic line ko sa palabas, yun yung, paano ko mati-turn on? Yun yung bungad mo agad sa akin. Or like,
Fan behavior.
oo, tas or kaya, isi-send pa sa Instagram ko or i-story pa nilang nakamatch nila ako. So like, hindi ko na tinuloy.
Hirap talaga maging aura. Maging
Totoo,
isang aura.
dahil. Tapos nung una, akala ko yung Grindr, dating apps.
Oo.
Kaya naloka ako, puro titi yung
Oo,
nakita
iba to.
ko.
Iba to.
Pang ano pala siya, hook up.
And then, I didn't know, kasi syempre wala ako sa Grindr, diba?
Yeah.
Yung mga names nila doon, parang Big Daddy from whatever,
Yes.
whatever. I'm like, whoa.
Twink bottom as fuck. Yung mga ganon.
Pwedeng my name, my age.
Yes.
Pwedeng kilalanin mo muna ako.
Kaya yun, nag-try ako ng Bumble and Tinder and hindi siya for me. I mean, sa Bali and
Yeah,
sa,
that's where it's nice.
sa Singapore. Yeah.
Because the options there, unlimited.
Yes, sobra. Tapos top pick pa ako dun, guys.
Ay. First
Bragging,
draft.
sorry. Like, girl, top 1
Mabenta
ako
ka
dun.
dun.
Mabenta ako dun.
They say, merong quote na, you're a 10 somewhere. Like, somewhere in the world, grabe, yung type mo,
Totoo.
type ka talaga.
Doon sa Bali talaga. Topic
Wow.
ako.
Living
Kasi
your best life.
living my best life, bitch. Yung ganun talaga. Kasi tangina, lahat ng crush ko na akala ko hindi ako magugustuhan, sila yung nag-a-ask ng number
Super
ko. Like, yes, guys. As in, lahat ng sinipe right ko match.
Wow.
Ganun.
100%.
100%.
What's your type ba?
Gusto ko talaga ng Asian. Like,
Really?
di ba ang weird? Gusto ko ng chinito. Gusto ko ng cute. Para cute kami tignan. Pero kung hindi Asian, Korean, di ba? Korean, Chinese yun yung mga bet ko. Pero kung hindi Asian, gusto ko ng black or Latino.
Ooh,
Para like,
nice.
parindigan na lang yung bad bitch.
With flavor.
Yes!
Ay, so gusto mo either super sweet boy, chinito, mabango yung vibes,
Yes.
or
Or super,
like fuckboy.
aggressive, masculine. ganun.
Ay,
Parang yung choices ko,
oo.
opposite talaga.
Ay, wow.
Kung hindi ako pwede sa cute-cute, edi dun tayo sa bad bitch.
Oo, deserve naman. And also, you never know what's mas bagay sa'yo or what will end up working for you.
And also, I can do both. Hello.
Oo.
I can be
Pwede
cute
naman.
sometimes.
But you can be a baddie sometimes.
Yes, true.
What's your red flags in a guy? Parang pag nakita mo yon, ay, di ko na bet. Nagkaka-ex ka ba? Or are you very nice and open? What's it like to date you ba?
Nakaka-ick ako pag sobrang tagal mag-reply.
Okay.
Well, gets syempre kung sasabihan niya kung may gagawin siya or what. Pero like
Nag-communicate na may
Yeah.
gagawin.
I mean, pag nag-ano na yung communication, pag nagiging cold na in a way na hindi mo naramdam na ano pa siya, sabik pa siyang kausapin ka.
Are you clingy?
Super.
Sweet ka ba?
Yung love language ko talaga.
Clingy.
Physical touch.
Ay.
ganyan.
Do you like being with them every day? Seeing them all the
Yeah,
time?
Pang settle in yung atake.
Ay, so feeling ko, if ikaw yung friend na pag nagka-boyfriend, never ko na makikita. Ganon.
Yes. Well, isasama ko lagi yung boyfriend ko kasi sobrang extrovert ko. And nangyari na yan lahat na nagiging guy ko, parang nasasama ko sa lahat ng trip ko kasi
Okay.
I'm very friendly
Okay, so parang you invite that guy into your world versus
Yeah.
nawawala ka. Hindi ka naman mawawala
Yeah.
sa mundo.
Hindi.
Alam mo yung mga friends na ganun, ay nagka-jowa lang, hindi mo na
Kasi
nakita mga 2
ayoko
years.
nun talaga. Sobrang
Oh.
hate ko yun. Like parang, girl, nung broken ka, ako yung nandito. Nung naging masaya
Ride
ka.
or die.
Yeah. Nung naging masaya, iniwan ako.
Oh my gosh.
Yeah.
But mabarkada ka ba growing up? Kasi
Sobra.
diba, like young age pa lang 3, you knew you were gay na. So did you have gay friends or
A
were
lot.
people bullying you as a kid? Were they like that?
I had a lot of friends. Sobrang mabarkada ko. Never ako nabully kasi I really know how
Ikaw
to
yung
stand up.
nagbubully. Check.
Well, at some point.
Inunahan mo sa sila.
Kasi diba, growing up in this world na kailangan mong mag-pretend na matapang or kaya mo yung sarili mo para hindi ka bulihin. Yeah, kailangan ko kasi mag-pretend na kaya ko talaga
Strong.
sila kahit na takot na ako
Yeah.
sa loob ko. Yung parang, ang defense mechanism ko na lang is, alam mo yun, yung
Yeah.
to shout or to be aggressive na lang. Pero like, yun nga, never pa ako nabully kasi kahit lalaki or babae yung mambubuli sa akin, kaya ko talaga. Madaming beses na rin talaga ako nakipag-away sa school about my gender. Pero like, most likely
Kasi alam mo
talaga.
yun, pag bata, ay bakla. Alam mo yung mga
Yes,
ganon?
oo.
Ang rude kaya.
Yung number one talaga na magka-press ng button ko para like,
What is the one that, if they call you that?
if you touch my siblings or like, kasi gay din yung sumunod sa akin, right?
Yeah. So
Kasi
parang,
ako kaya ko, pero like, don't touch her.
how many kayo ulit?
Originally, in my biological father and mother, 4 kami. But now, I have 3 baby
Chickitings.
chickitings
Okay.
now. So like, we're 7 now.
Ay, ang dami nyo.
Ang dami. At gusto pa ng
From your
tatay ko
dad's side?
dahil. Yeah.
He's on it.
Yeah. Gusto niya pa.
Ay, wow.
Gusto niya pang umapat na chickiting.
Mga 10, ganon.
Yeah.
So, may gay ka pang kapatid.
Na sumunod sa akin.
So if inaway yung kapatid mo, parang, okay, that's when it,
yeah. And yung pag yung asar sa akin, ano na talaga, below the belt. Hindi lang yung bakla-bakla
oo.
Pag yung, alam mo yon yung dadamay na yung pamilya mo or yung parents mo. Kasi tanggap nga ako ng parents ko
Ikaw
What
nga.
more ikaw?
Oo.
Hindi naman kita kaano-ano, ba't di mo ako matanggap? Yan lang.
It's very different Sa amin kasi pag tibo, parang okay tapos, di ba? Like, bakla, okay tapos.
Okay. So what?
I know that.
Diba?
Don't tell me something I already know.
Yeah.
So I think it's different. And then kasi diba, all-girls school ako. Tapos my all-girls school, mas marami yung tibo kesa sa straight.
Totoo.
Oo, baliktad sa amin.
Hindi ko talaga ma-imagine yung all girls and all boys na school. Like, how is it?
Sa all-girls school, mas maraming tibo. Kasi, yun lang sama-sama kami lahat. And then, nagka-crush onto each other. And then, kunwari may school play, I'll play the boy. So, magpapapogi ako,
gosh.
ganon. And then, yung mga boy roles, magpa-fake mustache ako and all
Oh my
that.
gosh, ilang years ka
Since grade school, so since grade 3 ako. So, 7 years akong all girls.
Tangina. Like, hindi ko talaga ma-imagine.
Yeah, if nag-all boys ka, ang lala talaga, ang wild.
Girl, baka naging sobrang bakla na lang
Oo.
ako. Or kaya, ako, pamin.
Oo, super pamin. I can't imagine you naman na pamin.
I can't.
Wait, so, right now, what are you busy with? I know nag-YouTube guestings ka lately.
Yeah. Sobrang busy ko talaga sa ko lately. Sa sports.
Okay.
Sa volleyball. Kasi I do play almost every day. Pero sa lugar lang namin. Yung laro-laro lang.
Your village or
Yeah. And then, I'm also trying to get into art.
Grabe, it's everyone's soft girl coquette era talaga.
Oh, I don't know. I feel like everyone needs peace lately.
I'm tired, bitch. Like,
Yeah, like ako talaga nahanap ko yung peace ko sa art ngayon. Kasi like, di ba, from scratch, from nothing, nakikita mo yung
Ginawa mo.
yung ginawa mo na putang ina, napapaganda mo yung bagay na kahit pangit.
Yeah. And also, parang to each their own. Like, iba-iba tayo ng art. So,
Totoo.
ang fulfilling niya sa feeling.
Sobra kasi growing up talaga, alam kong hindi ako into arts kasi ayoko mag-drawing. Hindi ako magaling mag-drawing, hindi ako magaling mag-color.
So, pag art class ay parang,
Oo,
pero
dun
pag
talaga.
PE,
Oo, pero pag
game na
PE,
game.
dun ako babawi. Performance task, dun ako babawi. Pero kung yung mga poster, kineme, or like mga ganyan, enk ako dyan. Pero nung nag-try ako neto lately, now, di ba, parang you barely touch your phone pag nag-paint ka. It's just music in your painting.
Vibes.
Vibes talaga. So, nung nagpipaint ako, tas yung, alam mo yung may mga mali ka, ikaw lang din yung magtatama ng mali mo kasi hindi naman nila malalaman yon kung mapapaganda mo. And it's your choice kung mag-i-start over ka ulit, kung uulit ka or aayusin mo lang yung maling nagawa mo.
And in the end, di naman alam ng ibang tao na mali mo yun eh.
Yes.
Parang, it's just in how you serve it. It's how you do it.
Ikaw lang ang nakakaalam. So like, ako talaga into arts, sports, and yeah, social media thing.
Oo. Ayaw mo mag-acting?
I feel like gusto ko na, pero like natatakot pa ako ulit bumalik sa acting.
Like teleserye style or
Oo.
movies?
Kasi,
Tagal mo din working eh, to be fair.
Oo, like since 11 years old up until 19.
Yeah.
Never stop acting. Like, I never stop acting. Wala akong, I mean yung COVID era lang, pero like since 11 hanggang maging 19 years old ako, puro acting lang yun. So parang ako ngayon, feeling ko, I'm not fully ready to come back sa acting kasi I'm not mentally stable.
And you deserve a break.
Yeah.
It's different. I feel like people don't understand the kind of workload kasi parang feeling na fun-fun lang kasi patawa yung mga roles mo eh.
Yeah.
But yung parang 6 a.m. taping and then 2 a.m. tapos, they don't know that kind of tired
Totoo.
feeling.
Tsaka yung may pinoportray ka na role and yung pagkabisado mo ng script and yung, alam mo yung kailangan magawa mo siya na yung gusto ng director and yung magugustuhan ng tao in a way. So like, it's not to be perfect but to be like, you know, to be exact on how they wanted it.
And not how you are talaga.
Na,
So, nakaka-drain din siya.
Nakaka-drain to pretend someone else. So like, for me talaga,
It's time to be you.
yeah, it's not easy talaga pag naging artista.
Oo.
Kasi hindi siya madaling acting lang. Kasi sometimes nalilito ka rin sa emotion mo.
Nakakabaliw siya.
Nakakabaliw siya. Totoo.
Kasi even if it's a happy role, you're giving and you're giving. At the end of the day, empty, dead.
Totoo. Especially kung yung eksena mo nakakatawa pero like ikaw emotionally
Wala
sad
ka doon.
talaga or drain ka. Pero kailangan mo maging masaya. Or like ikaw naman sobrang saya mo pero yung eksena mo kailangan dramang iyak.
Oy, do you want to do drama?
Oh yeah. Super. Like parang yun nga, mas nakakabaliw yung iba-iba pa yung ginagawa mo at the same time nagawa ka ng movie and teleserye. Hindi ko rin alam paano ko kinaya yun before kasi I'm doing Ang Probinsyano, Your Face Sounds Familiar, and Super Parental Guardians. Yung may
Sabay?
spaghetti, sabay-sabay sila.
Oh my gosh.
Kasi yun yung prime
Raketera ng taon.
Raketera, guys.
Nobody can talk shit. Hustler.
Yeah. So like, yeah, hindi ko alam paano ko kinaya pero one thing I know is I love what I'm doing.
Now.
Yeah.
Okay. But if you were to choose acting or like yun nga, social media work, ano mas bet mo?
Ngayon,
Oo.
practical
Oo. Oo.
Ang hirap,
Oo.
tangina.
Kasi you're so good naman eh at both.
I feel like sa social media kasi, hawak mo yung oras mo,
And yung creativity.
yung aesthetic mo, and ikaw yung mag-decide.
Mm-mm.
Pero when it comes to passion and like talaga, feeling ko acting pa rin
Acting pa
pipiliin
rin.
ko. It's just like I'm not 100% ready to come back sa acting, pero like acting pa din.
Acting friend. Alam mo yung dream ko, mag-reality show talaga. Pero not
Totoo.
like PBB style. Like, gusto ko yung
Anong
mga...
reality show?
I don't
Bad
know.
Girls Club?
Oo. Kasi wala tayong Love Island dito. Wala
Yeah.
Wala yung mga ganun na fun-fun lang.
Actually, iba rin talaga yung reality show. Kasi ang sorry, pero like, ang kukorny ng reality show dito.
Oo. Di ba I told you I tried out for PBB?
Yeah.
And then in the end, di ako nakuha, which is fine. But then na-realize ko, wait lang, gusto ko ba talaga yon?
Yeah. What if nandun ka ngayon pala?
Di wala ka din dito.
Hindi
Hindi
natin
tayo
ginagawa
magkikita
to.
dahil, oo.
Yeah.
Parang feeling ko, week 1 pa lang evicted. Parang, I might just curse
Pero
day
siguro,
1
hindi rin nila deserve ng bad bitch sa
sa house. Sa house ni Kuya, sorry.
Baka mag-gag yung buong tao sa'yo. Tapos, hindi
Wigless.
sila ready sa'yo.
Sabi ko, we should have our own reality show na lang.
Totoo.
What if we were like baddies, tapos who's the baddest of them all? Oy!
Girl,
Diba? Yung mga ganon.
when is this?
Ay!
When is this?
Tapos yung mga challenge, we have to make our own extensions. Yung mga ganon.
Yes!
Mga random things. I feel
Super
like,
girly pop na
yeah,
thing.
na show. Favorite ko kasi right now yung Love Island. I love, what's that?
Yeah,
Too
I
Hot to
love,
Island?
I love Love
Leia?
Island. Sino ka? Ako, Serena and Jana
Oh
ako.
my gosh.
I
I love Serena talaga.
love
She's-
Serena, no?
Yeah, and they're also hot
Super hot.
Parang kasama ba yun sa casting? Kailangan boobs, puwet,
Feeling-
everything, no?
Tsaka ang bagets, di ba?
Oo.
Pero like, yung chemistry nilang dalawa ni Cordell, I love it.
So nice.
Oo.
And I like na parang they really don't filter what they say doon. Kasi I
Yeah.
feel like sa Pinas, pag nag-reality show, everyone's so proper.
Yeah.
And I like,
Kasi they are so scared to be judged.
oo.
Pero
Sanay na tayo
them,
ma-judge.
yeah. But gusto ko yung trio na yon. Si Serena, Leia, and Jana.
Yeah.
And how they protect Leia
Yeah.
also.
And then Leia after, parang naging social media star na siya.
Totoo.
Her and Miguel.
Super.
Wait, so what's your career, dream pa now? Like dream roles or dream...
Yun nga, kung hindi na ako, eto kasi, hindi talaga dapat nawawala ng plan B or like plan C. Ang ano talaga, ang plan B ko talaga, kung hindi ako magiging artista, ang plan B ko dapat, maging tourism ako eh. Like, I mean,
Tourism?
maging flight attendant ako. Kasi ang gusto kong kunin na course is tourism.
Okay.
So like, pero ngayon, di ba, kung hindi na ako mag-artista, ang plan B ko is like influencer,
Yeah.
social media thing. So, ang plan C ko ngayon,
Grabe yung A to B to C.
Siyempre, girl, kailangan may backup plan ka lagi.
Hanggang
hindi
Z
yung,
na to.
hindi ka pwedeng mauubusan ng backup
Oo.
plan. So, kung mawalan din ako ng gana sa social media and gusto ko na lang maging private life, gusto ko pa rin related sa acting. So, behind the cameras. Gusto ko mag-director or like writer.
Creatives. Nice.
Para hindi na rin malayo sa sa career path ko.
Yeah.
So, kung hindi man ako yung uma-acting, gusto ko may uma-acting sa
Grabe,
harap
wait
ko.
lang. Grabe kung FA ka. Gusto mo ng spaghetti?
Yes!
Literal.
Drink some wine.
I can't, but you're okay with that long hours and all that. FA.
Yeah.
Because you're traveling.
Yeah, because I'm traveling. Also, I love the way on how prim and proper they are. Like, on how representable they are.
Classy.
Classy. Tsaka di ba pag FA ka?
And then they're walking through the airport na pooge. With a
Yes.
little...
With a little
Maleta.
luggage. Yeah.
Tapos jojowain mo, pilot. Oh, hot.
Loves it. So,
Diba?
ngayon guys, FG pa lang ako eh.
Ah?
FG. Fuck girl.
Hindi naman. Soft girls,
Soft girl,
SG.
soft girl. SG lang ako.
Wait, so now, I noticed you're really in a different era where it's like calm, peaceful. So after everything that happened to you, how do you protect your peace now? Parang feeling ko kasi, never mawawala yung hate or drama
Totoo.
or people talking shit. So, paano mo yun kinakaya?
Ako, I'm really trying to find my peace na hindi ko talaga mapapansin yung basher and haters. And I'm really focusing on my mental health, kung saan ako masaya and kung saan ko makikitang better yung sarili ko. I can't say na I don't give a fuck, but sometimes...
Kasi tao lang
yeah,
tayo. Hello.
tao lang din ako, guys, na what happened to me is, very traumatizing.
Yeah.
But the only person that I will blame is myself, for sure.
But only God can cancel me.
yeah, exactly. Yeah, so parang for me, I'm really focusing on things na makes me happy talaga.
Yeah.
And things na magbibigay sa akin ng peace. Which is yun nga, yung sports ko, yung dance ko, yung art ko.
Painting.
And
Yeah.
I'm really like, I'm really being with those people na hindi ako iniwanan.
And di kayo
dun-
judge.
And dun talaga ako sa mga taong from the very start nandyan for me.
You know what? I feel like people don't understand na everyone has their shit. Like, we all go through our own shit. It just so happens that ours, it's online.
Totoo.
Everyone talks about it. Like, so many people, they go through their shit. Pasalamat lang sila. It's in private. Nobody can talk shit in public.
Totoo.
Diba?
Pero like, yeah, ako din naniniwala ako na lahat tayo, may point tayo sa buhay natin na may fucked up na ano talaga. Syempre, hindi naman pwedeng perfect yung kwento mo.
Oo.
Hello, kailangan may pangit
Oo.
may pangit na part dun. 'Di ba? Lahat naman ng storya,
Oo.
kahit anong libro, kahit anong palabas yan, may pangit
Oo.
na ano diyan, may pangit na part. And yun yung pangit na part ko. Tingnan lang natin sa ending kung paano siya mapapaganda.
Hindi, may happy ending yan.
Ito,
Sure.
for sure. And ikaw yung gagawa ng happy ending mo. So like for me, you need to surround yourself sa mga taong alam mong hindi ka i-judge, sa mga taong alam mong mahal ka, and yung mga taong alam mong mabibigyan ka ng chance mahanap yung sarili mo, yung better
Yeah.
self mo. Kasi ako, I really surround myself to those people who inspired me,
Yeah.
who motivate me.
Tsaka hindi din pwede yung mga friends na consentidor lang na parang, oh, that's
Totoo.
okay, that's okay.
Yeah,
Hindi
yung
yun
friends na
okay.
pangsaya lang.
Oo.
Yung friends na pag malungkot na wala na. So like,
Oo.
and ako din, hindi ako sang-ayon sa mga friends na lagi lang uma-agree. Kasi like, pag laging uma-agree, hindi mo na makikita kung ano yung mali.
Or ano ba yung totoo? How
Ano
do you
ba yung
really think
totoo?
about me? I think din kasi diba, kasi us, we're kind of in a different path na other people, kasi syempre we have followers na or whatever, mabilis sila to say, yeah, that's nice, go lang, go.
Totoo.
Pero it takes true friends to really talk to you and say, wait lang,
Totoo.
pag-isipan mo yan.
And din yung mga friends ko ngayon.
Oh,
Parang
deserve.
before I make a decision, I mean, parang laging may brainstorm.
Brainstorm. May meeting
Oo,
muna.
may
alignment.
meeting muna. Or like, sure ka?
Oo.
Ito yung mangyayari dyan pag ginawa mo yan. Yung mga
Oo.
ganon. So parang, kaya nga diba, hindi nawawalan ng backup plan si ate.
Oo, A, B, C, D.
Yes, girl.
What's the best advice that you got from somebody after everything has happened to you? Parang what's the one na sabi mo, okay, this is what I'm never going to forget?
I feel like hindi siya advice eh. Pwedeng praise na
Ay,
lang.
oo.
Na hindi ko makalimutan
Oh,
na yun.
go.
Ito yung time na unang meet namin ni Mamay Bay.
Oh, what did she tell you?
Because I was so scared to talk about what happened. Kasi sobrang fresh nun. First meet namin after what happened. So like, ang una niyang sinabi sa akin, huwag kang matakot kasi hindi na kita pagagalitan.
Oh,
Nangyari na yung lahat, tapos na, andito tayo para ayusin siya, para maayos yung mali. Huwag kang matakot sabihin sa akin lahat kasi wala na, tapos na. Andito tayo para ayusin.
yeah.
So like parang for me, sobrang touching na tangina. Hindi
Lahat
naman
na
ako,
yun nangyari.
oo, after lahat na nangyari, yun nangibabaw sa kanya yung love. She's willing to forgive me. She's willing na ayusin yung pagkakamali ko, itama yung mali. Hindi, di ba? Usually kasi, ako while growing up talaga, pag nakakagawa ko ng mali or kasalanan, bugbog,
Oo,
talo,
sabi ng
or
mama ko, pak.
paggalit. Lumaki kasi ako sa ganun. So parang for me na this time, sobrang lala na nangyari sa akin. Yun ang una ko narinig. So parang for me, yun yung lagi ko pinangahawakan kasi
Gentle parenting siya,
sobrang-
no?
gentle parenting in a way, pero like, sobrang laking epekto nun sa
Yeah.
akin. Lalo na nung sinabi niya pa na parang, kung sa tingin mo this time in your life, iiwanan kita, hindi.
Oh, wow.
Kasi, gusto kong makita ng tao na makakabangon ka sa pagkadapa mo. Hindi yung iniwan kita nang nadapa ka.
Yeah.
Parang for me, tangina, yun yung mga linyahan na hindi mawawala sa akin.
Dapat yun yung sa movie eh. Hindi yung laging patawa-tawa. Dapat yun yung imo-movie.
Totoo. Kaya ngayon excited ako sa movie niya na Breadwinner. Kasi
Okay.
ibang atake na ito ngayon.
Hindi pa siya out. Yung
Sa
Breadwinner.
MMFF yung
Okay.
movie niya.
Sige, we'll watch ko yan.
Na-excite ako.
Wow.
Guys, panoorin natin yan. So, yun.
Oo.
Sobrang na-touch ako dun. Kasi yung advice, andali na lang.
To tell someone what to do.
Yeah. Parang for me, yung advice, it's so easy to give. For it's so easy to give, but it's so hard to adapt.
To do.
Yeah, to do. Yeah.
Oo. Pero grabe yun, yung attacking ganon. Parang,
Totoo.
wow. You'll really feel inspired.
Super.
It's so good though, because even your energy now, it's so peaceful. Your
Totoo.
aura, it's calm. I
Yeah.
like that. I like this version of you.
Thank you.
Yeah.
Kaya yun, hindi na ako natakot nung time na mag-open up.
Mm-mm.
Kasi I feel assured, secured, and I feel like may tao talagang hindi ako iiwan. Kahit ano pa.
Kahit anything that happens to you,
Yeah.
people love you. And that's what
Totoo.
matters. You know, I think that's what it is Like, literally, only you can go through that process alone.
Totoo.
Nobody can assist you or tell you what to do. Ikaw lang talaga.
Yeah, kasi kahit pa kumuha ka ng therapist mo or like magpa-ano ka,
Ikaw din yun
ikaw talaga ang
Aw.
magdesisyon kung gusto mo pang makita yung sarili mong lugmok, malungkot.
Yeah.
Ako kasi talaga, I'm the person na hindi ko kaya makita yung sarili ko na nasa isang kahon
Really?
na nalulugmok. So,
Okay. Wow, nalulugmok. As a conyo girl, nahirapan ako na
nalulugmok.
nalulugmok.
So like parang for me, growing up, hindi ako mabilis mag-move on. Pero like, I really can't see myself being so sad or
Down
like,
in the dumps.
yeah, hindi
Fuck
ko
that.
talaga kaya yon. So parang for me,
Palaban ka
I super live with Rihanna's quote na
Ano yun?
fake it until you make it.
Yeah.
So parang for me, sinimulan ko lang ulit sa fake it na I'm okay,
Mm-mm.
masaya na ako ulit. Up until sa nagiging totoo na siya kasi hindi ka na malungkot eh.
Mm-mm.
Tinatry mong maging okay. In a
Yeah.
way na parang manifesting it.
Oo.
Parang ina magiging
You
okay
just keep
din
working
ako.
on it little by little until magiging totoo na siya for
Totoo
you.
na siya.
Did you watch Euphoria?
I
Yung
did.
sabi ni Maddie na parang the thing about confidence is nobody can tell if you're faking it or something like that.
Yeah.
Yun.
Totoo.
Mm-mm.
Kasi ikaw talaga yan. 'Di ba? Parang sa lahat ng bagay, the only thing na hindi nila maaalis sa'yo is your personality
Mm-mm.
and your uniqueness.
Yeah.
And that all came from confidence.
Tama. And the reason that, let's say you became an artist is because you're unique.
Totoo.
Oo, di ba? Parang, if you just pretend to be like everybody else, hindi ka personality. Kaya tayo influencer personality kasi may
Yeah.
personality.
Totoo.
Hindi naman pwedeng,
Well, ngayon kasi, anting kasi ngayon, di ba, yung mga nagba-viral lately, ang bilis mawala. Kasi, either ninakaw lang yung personality.
kinopya lang,
Or-
copy-paste.
Oo, walang originality.
Oo.
So, parang noon time talaga natin, 2016
Oo.
era, Filipino Vines, lala talaga nun, sobrang,
Laban na laban,
laban.
kailangan.
Yeah.
Okay, so now we're gonna play Would You Rather. Para
Okay.
fun naman. Okay. Would you rather pay for the dinner date or let them pay for you?
Okay, I would rather pay.
Wow! Because you
Yeah.
have money, bitch.
Yeah, kasi, no, hindi lang dahil may pera ko. Ayoko ng utang na loob, hello.
Ah.
Sumbat niyo pa sa akin.
na parang in the future, they'll be like, ay,
Ay,
binayaran ko.
binayaran ko yung dinner niyan.
Tapos
Parang
after,
ganon. So parang ako talaga, I would rather pay for everything.
Para walang
sa lahat.
masabi.
Para walang masabi. Kasi it's better to give than to receive.
ay,
Wow!
you're a giver.
Yeah,
She's a
I'm a
giver.
giver.
Okay, would you rather get your phone or wallet stolen? Ano yung manakaw?
Wallet.
Talaga? Yung pera mo doon, cards.
Kikitain ulit. Pero yung laman ng phone ko, ang hirap i-retrieve. Girl, alam mo kung ilan photos ko sa
Ilan?
phone?
Nagka 100K ka na ba sa photos?
Almost there.
Oh my gosh, you're a hoarder sa photos, no? Oh my gosh, 59,000 photos. Di ka nagde-delete, no?
Hindi. And, hello, nawalan pa ako ng phone sa HQ,
Yeah.
right? So, like, parang 1 year pa lang
What
tong
happened that
59K.
night?
I don't know. I got fucked up.
Lost it somewhere there.
Lost,
And then,
yeah.
this is a new phone na.
That's a new phone na with 59K photos.
Ang bilis, ha?
So,
Soon, next week, 100K na yan.
yeah,
ng
I would
photos.
rather lost my wallet or like get my wallet stolen. Kasi dali lang i-block ng card.
Ay,
And
yeah,
yung,
true.
hindi ako makash eh.
You're a
Mag-card
GCash girl
ako
or whatever.
like, ano
Online.
ako, online.
Online payment ka lang. Okay. Would you rather date an ugly guy that's rich or date a guapo guy that's broke? Oh.
Guwapo guy that's broke. Kasi I'm rich.
Ako kasi hindi ako rich.
Hindi na nila mahalata yun. At least pag gwapo kasi.
Lakas maka-rich pag
Yeah,
guwapo siya.
Like, bibihisa na lang. Hello.
Ikaw na lang, you'll invent
Oo.
him.
Tsaka hindi naman ako high maintenance girl.
Talaga?
Hindi naman.
Really? I'm high maintenance talaga eh.
Yeah.
I like being a sugar baby. I like, ano talaga.
Ako, I love being a sugar mommy.
Baliktad.
Baliktad, yeah.
Wait, so you like taking care of people?
I love. Yun yung
Aw.
love language ko talaga eh.
You're such a...
Magpakain.
Is it
Magpakain.
Iba na pala yun.
Yeah.
Are you the breadwinner of your fam?
Yeah. Not
Ayun.
really, but like, Yeah.
Oo. So you're used to taking care of your siblings, your
Yeah.
family.
That's my number one source of joy,
Mm-mm.
making them happy or like spoiling them.
Okay.
So, ayan, super happy ko talaga pag nabibigay ko yung gusto nila or like pag meron sila ng meron ako.
So are you a gift giver?
Super kahit sa lahat ng friends ko.
Hala. Tayo na lang pala mag-date. Take care of me na lang. Ay.
Well,
Oh my gosh. Nakakalong. Wait, have you ever kissed a girl?
I did. Pero,
Really?
not French kiss Like,
Oo.
lahat ng best friend ko nakikiss ko.
No, but like as, parang kiss na kiss, gano'n,
Hindi.
no?
Hindi ko. I couldn't.
Really? So if I ask you to kiss me, ew?
Yeah.
Would you be like, oh my God, ew?
Okay, no.
Have you ever seen a coochie though?
Puke?
Oo.
Yeah, of course.
Okay, but nandidiri ka ba?
Hindi.
Like if I showed
Kasi
you my
ito nga
coochie, you'll
yung
be
thing
like,
ko.
ew?
Lahat ng best friend ko, like, nakikiss ko sa lips.
Oo.
Pero like, sabay di kayo maligo.
Okay.
Or like, hubot-hubad. Hindi ako nandidiri sa kipay. Pero kung ipapakain mo sa akin, ew, yung ganon. Pero like, kung makita ko lang, oh, I like that. Gusto ko rin
Oo.
ganyan. Gusto ko rin ng ganyan.
Matchy na
Mga
lang
ganon.
tayo.
Di ba?
Oh my gosh. Okay.
Parang, kung magpapagawa ko ng pepe, gusto ko yung ganito.
Ganyan. Ito yung peg ko.
Oo, ito yung peg ko. Yung pang, baguette.
Cute
Ganon.
girl.
Cute girl.
Acting or hosting?
Acting.
Acting. Pogi face pero dad bod or medium ugly siya pero may abs. So pogi siya pero yung katawan niya parang dad bod.
Dad bod. Ano na lang ako, pogi na dad bod.
Talaga?
Kasi may abs na ako eh.
So ayaw mo ba ng kamatch kayo? Parang fit tapos fit? Okay sa'yo yung makahug?
Oo, mas gusto ko yung nauuna na,
cuddly.
cuddle.
Pang cuddle weather.
Yeah. Kasi kung magki-picture kaming kita yung abs namin parehas, ang tatakpan ko sa kanya, mukha.
Kasi kukuha.
Yeah.
Ang sad. At least ito, pwede kang mag-selfie.
Yeah, at least yung dad bod, nasa harapan niya ako.
Oo.
Tapos kita yung mukha na yung dalawa. Tinatakpan ko yung katawan niya.
Tapos ipakita mo ng
yung
abs mo.
ko. Yeah.
Okay. Patentero or Chinese garter?
Chinese garter, hello.
Magaling ka.
Yeah.
I'm a patentero queen.
Totoo.
Yeah. My arms are so long eh. Like really though. As in hindi siya funny. Like actually my arms are really, really long. Swear. Like for my
Totoo.
height.
Sa height
Parang
mo.
magaling ako magpatentero.
Ako sa talon talaga eh. Diba?
Kaya pala volleyball.
Flexible girly.
Ay,
Volleyball
10,
girly.
20,
High
30.
jumper, mga ganyan.
Wow. So volleyball, diba? There are roles. Roles? Ano yun?
Role, yeah.
Diba?
There's a
Ano ka?
position.
Ano ka dun?
Open spiker.
What does that mean?
Like yung sila Eliza Valdez. Open
Ay.
spiker yung pumapalo. Kasi there's like open, middle, and opposite.
Close. Check.
Yan yung tatlong nasa harapan. So like yung open spiker, sa kanan siya.
Okay.
Yung opposite, sa kaliwang side siya, pero like, dun
So,
ka
pabida
pa.
ka, ganun. Pabida ka
Oo.
sa volleyball.
Yung mga ganong
Oo,
level.
mga ganong levels.
Yung mga, ikaw yung sesetan pag kailangan ng puntos.
Parang
Ganon.
nagre-rely yung team sa'yo.
Correct.
Oh. Ditch your friends for a guy or ditch your guy for your friends?
Oh, this is so hard
Oh, diba?
Ditch my friends
For
a
your guy. Wow.
Kasi they will understand naman eh.
If they're really your friends.
Yeah, if they really are my friends, may intindihan nila kasi kailangan ko na. Yung
Oo.
ganon. And hello, sobrang normal na to sa friendship na nanditich ka. Kasi alam mo magiging okay kayo at the end of the day. I know it's kind of toxic, but yeah.
Oo. And if
Kasi
they're really
yung
your
guy,
friends.
Pag yung guy yung dinitch mo, hindi ka nun kilala. Judge ka pa.
Tapos kakadate nyo pa lang. Wala
Totoo.
na yun. Okay, money or fame?
Money.
If you have money, you'll always have money. But if you're
Totoo.
famous, doesn't mean you're gonna have
Yung
money.
fame, hindi siya forever eh.
Mm-mm.
So, di ba, kumukuha ka lang din ng money sa fame. So,
True.
money na lang para hindi ka na magtrabaho.
Oo. Alam mo yung dream ko, maging mga rich low-key girls. Alam mo yung mga ganon, na parang wala silang jobs or anything.
Every week may luxury.
Oo. There's some girls on TikTok, I can't remember her name. She was on Too Hot to Handle I forgot her name. Basta parang wala siyang job, she just has money, she doesn't really do anything, low-key lang siya.
Bakit hindi pinanganak na
Oo.
gano'n?
Ng generational wealth.
Grabe siguro yung pinaghirapan nun nung past lives
Oo.
niya, no?
Yung mga tito niya, her grandpa, grandma.
Grabe. Gusto ko rin maging ganun, guys. Yung pinanganak na lang akong mayaman para hindi ko nararanasan lahat ng
Mga
to.
last name natin, Gokong Wei, Yuchenko, yung mga ganun,
Or kaya
whatever.
ano na lang,
Siya.
Aura C.
Ay, di ba mahilig ka naman sa chinito?
Yeah.
Eh di yun. Maghanap ka na lang ng ganun yung
Chinese
last
na
name.
businessman.
Oo, Chinese businessman.
Or kaya may apo ba si Henry C na
Oh.
kaedad ko?
Ay,
Totoo,
marami. O, hanap ka na.
Shucks, maglalasal tough na ako.
Oo. Mag-volleyball ka na
Kaya
doon.
mag-volleyball ako sa Lasal Tough. Okay,
Tama.
noted sa akin yan.
Drama or comedy? Hindi pwedeng dramedy.
Oo. Ngayon, drama.
Okay.
Drama.
Nagawa mo na yung comedy eh.
Yeah, and growing up, di na maalis sa isip nila yung pagiging komedyante ko. So, drama naman. Para mapakita ko palalo yung
Go
skills
pa.
ko sa acting.
You know what I was thinking about? How people think na because of how they see you sa movies, they think na when they see you in person, oh,
Ganun
patawa,
din.
funny, go, go.
Tapos minsan, di ba, nag-expect pa sila na, ay, iba siya sa personal. Like, girl, I was doing acting, not reality show. Like, ina-expect nilang patawanin ko sila in person. So, like, parang for me, funny rin naman ako sa totoong buhay. Pero like, may part ako ng life ko talaga na, syempre, di ba, kunyari, yung bad days mo. Pero like,
Normal din.
normal days, di ba?
Part din yun ng life. And then they
Totoo.
always expect na how you are on TV, ganun ka rin in
Ganun
person.
din.
Wait, have you ever Googled yourself?
Yeah.
Yeah, that's normal. I Google myself all,
Yeah,
or Twitter
also.
search. I would Twitter search
And
myself
nakakapikon
sometimes.
pag pangit yung picture ko.
Oo.
Like, nag-iisip ako ng way paano palitan yung mga picture doon. Para na yung scandal ko.
Oh my gosh,
Ako na
wait.
siya tanggalin doon. Para mag-sinerch ako ng lalaki ko sa ibang bansa.
Oh, tapos he'd be like, ay,
Ay?
ano to? It's okay.
Yeah.
My boyfriend, he went to jail.
Who?
Before, my boyfriend now, Lox.
Oh, yeah?
He went to jail before we met. As in, like, this is all over the news and everything. Nabalita pa siya and all. Minahal ko pa rin.
Totoo?
Yeah, this is like super real.
Tangina.
Oo, yung mugshot niya, if you Google my boyfriend's name, it's the first thing you see, his mugshot. Buti ka pa may teleserye, may movie. Yung boyfriend ko, imagine ito hindi ko pa parang na super kwento sa mom ko na, oh, I'm seeing a boy now for the first time kasi, di ba, girls. Ayoko muna ikwento sa kanya kasi, what if hindi maging kami? Pero syempre, she found out through other people. Tapos sabi niya, you know, I Googled him. I saw his mugshot. Ay!
Oh my God.
Di pa ako naka-explain na Google na niya yung mugshot ng jowa ko. Fuck. Like, it was
Oh
so
my God.
insane. Pero in the end, wala. I love him eh.
Yeah, look at him now.
Yeah, he's a proper businessman. Like,
Totoo. Hello.
pero yun lang. It's so funny kasi never yun nawawala. Like, every time. Kahit mag-post pa ako ng 500 TikToks, andun
Diba?
pa rin. Or people still comment it till now na parang, ay, mahilig ka pala sa ex-con. Oo, bakit?
Tangina. Well,
Oh,
ako
yun yung trip,
talaga,
yung trip ko. Bakit?
lahat ng taong may chance magbago.
Oo.
And nasa tao na yun kung gusto nilang magbago.
Yeah.
Change for a better or like change for a worse.
Yeah. And nasa sa'yo yun. Okay, wait. Fake a fight or fake a relationship?
Fake
Fight or fake a relationship? Alam
Fake
mo
a fight.
Really? Alam mo yung mga nagka-clout chase ngayon sa TikTok? Nag-fake sila ng fights or nag-fake ng relationship for clout on TikTok.
What the fuck?
Yeah, real. Tapos parang kunwari away para people will pick sides. Tapos magkaka-followers after. It's becoming a thing.
Magabati sila in the
Oo.
end.
Na
Oh,
parang
that's
we've made
crazy.
peace. Mga ganun.
Yeah, 'di ba? Imagine yun yung mga kayang gawin ng tao ngayon for cloud. Kaya so scary talaga eh.
And that's why people don't ever know the full story. Pag nagjo-judge sila ng mga TikTokers or
Kung ano
even
lang yung
us.
nabasa nila. Kung anong part lang tayo na hindi pa nila alam kung part 2, part 3 yung nabasa nila.
Oo, walang context. Yun
Walang
na yun.
context yun na yun. Diyan sila magaling.
Oo.
Yung,
Diyan
yun
sila
lang-
magaling.
Diyan sila magaling. Kung ano lang yung nabasa nila, yun na yun.
Kaya dapat bumalik na sila sa school, I swear.
Totoo.
Okay, so that's it. Now we're going to react to stories or questions from fans.
Okay.
Okay, number 1 is, his mom told me na layuan ko anak niya kasi bad influence ako. What do I do? Do I keep dating him or what?
His mom.
Oo, kinausap siya ng mother-in-law. Tapos sabi, layuan mo yung anak ko kasi bad influence.
Oh my gosh, pumayag kapag may 1 milyon.
Oo.
Kasi like, lalayuan ko yung anak mo.
Oh.
penga ko ng 1,000,000.
Sige.
Di ba ganun yun sa mga palabas?
Oo.
Tangina, huwag kang papayag kung di ka bibigyan ng pera.
Ano yun, layuan lang tapos?
Di ba? Hayaan mo yung anak niyang layuan ng nanay niya
Tama.
kung di ka
Binayaran
bibigyan
ka pa.
ng pera.
Imagine, binigyan pa ng 1 million, then you can find love somewhere else.
True.
May 1
Malay
million
mo, mas
ka.
better pa doon.
Oo.
May 1,000,000 ka na para magpaganda ka lalo, para
Oo.
maging,
next
di ba?
jowa.
Para sa next jowa mo, prepared ka.
Mm-mm.
Kasi yun lang yun. Etong 1,000,000, layuan mong anak
Oo.
ko. Di ba?
Diskarte lang pala.
Kung kulang pa, umiyak ka pa. Dagdagan mo pa ng 1 0. Di ba? Tangina.
Bongga. Okay. My friend took a screenshot from my close friends and then kinalat niya sa iba niyang friends. Oy, what do we do?
Expose her.
Expose her
Same what she did to you. Like, I mean, para alam niya yung pakiramdam ng ginawa
of what
niya.
it's like.
Yeah. So, parang, expose mo din siya. Kasi, di ba, close friend, it means
For close
for
friends.
close friends. For, like, private friends.
Oo.
So,
Ang
parang
hirap
for
nun.
me, gawin mo rin sa kanya kung ano yung ginawa sa'yo.
Grabe.
Yun lang yun para
Mm-mm.
maramdaman niya or para alam niya yung pakiramdam pag ginawa sa
Oo.
kanya yun.
Trust talaga.
Trust. Yeah.
Okay. I'm not yet out because hindi ko alam if gay ako or trans. So, ayoko muna mag-come out. How do I figure it out or how do I process this?
You know what? You have time to bloom, so take it easy. Don't
Okay.
feel rushed kasi no one is rushing you. Kung meron man, hayaan mo sila, huwag kang makinig sa kanila. But, honey, take time.
Mm-mm.
Whenever you're ready,
Oo.
we're gonna wait for you. And
We'll be here.
yeah, we're so excited to see you bloom, to
Whether
see
you're
you
gay or trans.
And I want you to figure out that on yourself,
Mm-mm.
kung ano talaga yung gusto mo,
Mm-mm.
and kung saan ka talaga feeling mong maganda ka, at kung ano yung feeling mong ikaw yon.
Oo.
So, take your time.
And not just because you're pressured.
Yeah.
Yun parang now, more and more people are coming out, which is great, but at the same time, di naman ibig sabihin nun, you also.
Yeah.
I have, may sister kasi ako, she's younger, Gen Z sila. Tapos, yung sinasabi niya sa akin is, I assume everyone's gay until they tell me they're straight.
So cute.
Oo, parang ina-assume niya na lang, you're queer, you're queer, you're
You're
queer.
queer, yeah.
Oo.
Kasi
Ina-assume
diba,
na lang.
mas madaling mag-come out na I'm straight
Oo.
kaysa yung I'm queer.
Baliktad.
Yeah. Pero yun, take it easy, baby girl.
Oo. My mom blocked me kasi ayaw niya makita yung kabaklaan ko online. How do I fix this relationship?
Paano sa personal?
Oo, 'di ba? Makikita niya din 'yon.
I mean, hindi na ba sila sa isang house?
Baka unless nagpapaka-straight siya pag nakikita niya yung mom niya. Ang weird.
Oh, that's so sad. I wanna
Yeah.
hug her. But, yeah, it's so sad. I don't know how to fix a relationship with parents kasi like, hindi ko alam bakit kailangan yung anak yung mag-ayos ng relationship sa
So you're a mom
magulang.
for a reason.
And
Oh.
parang, ikaw yung unang tatanggap sa anak mo better than
Oo.
anyone else. So parang for me, it's so hard and it's so sad to think about it na may ganun pa pala
Oo.
hanggang ngayon.
Kasi your dad really loves you. Your dad accepts
But
you.
you know what? You should find people na, I mean, siguro dun ka na lang, i-fulfill mo na lang yung love mo sa parents ng best friends mo,
Mm-mm.
ganun. Kasi ako,
Kay
minsan ganun
Vice,
din
you also
diba?
found that.
Yeah.
You're very lucky doon.
Yeah, sa parents din nila Ate Riva, parents ni
Mm-mm.
Ate Zainab. Yeah, ramdam na ramdam ko yung love ng parents nila sa akin.
Oh. So sometimes it's about that din eh. Like you can't force a relationship
Totoo.
agad-agad. And then they can just focus on people that really love them and take care of them.
Yeah, and they're the one who decided to cut you off or like blocked you. So, wala ka nang magagawa doon.
Mm. And deserve din niya to like post how she wants and live her life.
Exactly. The only thing that they need to do is to accept you
Mm-mm.
for who you are.
True.
But if they cannot do that, then sorry, you lost
Mm-mm.
your mom.
Sorry na lang. Hanap ka
Sorry
na lang
na
iba.
lang, lost your mom.
I have a crush on a guy pero feel ko straight siya. I'm gay. But parang lagi niya kasi nilalike yung pics ko and chinachat ako. Do I ask him if he's gay?
No.
Ang weird naman to be like, wait, so are you gay? Di ba? Parang,
No, because like for me, I'm gay or I'm trans.
oo.
But I do like straight.
Okay.
Because like, Pag pumatol ka sa straight, I mean, pag yung straight pumatol
Pumatol
sa
sa'yo.
trans, hindi naman sila magiging gay. Straight pa rin sila.
Because you're a girl eh.
Yeah, no, kahit gay ka.
Oo.
Kung yun yung
Ah,
identity nila,
gets.
straight sila.
Mm-mm.
Kasi yung parents mo, yung tatay mo, nung pumatol siya sa nanay mo, hindi naman siya naging babae.
Oo. Oo.
Yung mama mo pumatol sa tatay mo, hindi naman siya naging
Tama.
lalaki. So, ikaw mag-decide nun kung straight ka pa, kahit kanino ka pumatol. Kung straight ka, pumatol ka sa lesbian, you're straight pa
You're
din.
still straight.
Kung
Oo.
straight ka, pumatol ka sa gay, straight ka pa din. So, parang for me,
Nasa sayo yun.
ikaw
and
yun
not-
kung ano yung gender identity mo.
Okay,
So,
tama.
parang for me, kahit pumatol ka sa trans, gay, or like any part of LGBTQ+, if you think you're straight, you're straight. No one can
Okay.
take that away from you. So, parang for me,
Yeah.
don't ask him about his gender.
Pressure pa siya, you know. Wait, so
Yeah.
are you gay?
Are you gay? Kasi, hindi rin siya normal na tanong or
Oo.
hindi na dapat siya ginagawang normal na, alam mo yon, di ba kasi parang for me, asking gender now is not normal thing.
Oo.
So
Just be
parang,
respectful.
just, wait him to let you know.
Oo.
And whether he's straight or a gay, if the things work out,
Then,
then
happy.
good for you.
Happy.
Girl, yeah.
Okay. Oo nga eh. I think that's why people are asking kasi minsan they don't know, no? Na parang, ay, what if patulan ko to? Pero you're right eh. If they're straight, they're straight.
They're straight.
You can't force
Yeah.
someone to be like, cause you like me, you're gay now. Or, cause you like me, trans ka na rin, or
Yeah,
whatever.
because like Ion is straight.
Ah.
Mami Vice is gay.
Ah,
Diba?
I didn't know that.
Yeah.
Ah, wow.
Na-watch ko lang din to sa Showtime kay Mami Vice.
Wow.
And siya rin nag-explain na pag straight ka, straight ka.
Mm-mm.
Hindi naman porke pumatol ka sa bakla magiging bakla ka na rin.
But at the same time, if gusto nila mag-change ng mind eventually, that's on them.
Yeah, that's on them.
And you can't force them to change their minds now for you.
For you, yeah.
Oo.
Kasi sila lang talaga ang mag-decide ng gender identity nila.
Yeah. Me naman kasi 'di ba, baliktad. I was lesbian and then now nagpapaka-straight ako.
Yeah.
Eme lang. But like,
Nagkapaka-straight
eme
ako,
lang.
tangina.
But then the problem was, when I started dating my boyfriend, I would still kiss girls every now and then. And I'd be like, what am I talaga? So I still think I'm gay. Diba? Just because
Yeah.
I'm dating a guy now doesn't mean na straight na
ka
ako.
na, yeah.
I still
Yeah,
am myself.
you're gay pa rin or like bi.
Oo. Hindi naman yun natatanggal sa akin just because of the person I'm dating eh.
Yeah, or like pan.
Oo, pan.
Kaya
There's-
mo sa gay?
oo. Yeah, I think so eh.
Totoo.
Yeah.
Kaya mo ka-relationship sa
Yeah,
gay.
really.
Baka
As in-
nga pan ka.
As in, for me, right now, never say never.
Yeah.
Ayoko na lang sabihin na no, never. Kasi I feel like there's a part of me na I'm so person-focused. If I'm in love with you as a person, how you are, how you talk, your personality, I get so infatuated with that. More than
Totoo.
anything else. Like, wala akong pake, like, okay, may nota ka, may kipay ka. Go ako dyan lahat. Ay, lahat.
And totoo yung never say never kasi you'll never know talaga.
Pero ikaw, never say never ka sa girls?
Sa girl talaga. Girl, swear.
Never.
Never. Forever.
Forever. Thank you so much, Aura. That was it.
That was it?
Yeah,
Oh my gosh,
sure.
hindi ko nawala yan. But
Aw.
yeah, I love the last question though. Yeah.
Oh, thank you.
Thank you.
Mwah.
That's Bible.